First, I'd like a response from Dr. Ramakant Panda, Vice Chairman and Head of the Asian Heart Institute in Mumbai. Your response to this no tolerance policy, this clear ordinance which has been put out now by the government, Dr. Panda, is it firm enough to send the message home?
I'm very happy and I welcome the government's decision to bring in the ordinance. But at the same time, I think for more severe, suppose any healthcare worker loses their life, I think much stringent laws like the NSA should be brought in. And I really appreciate the Chief Minister of Odisha, Mr. Naveen Patnaik, who has already announced that anybody losing their life due to violence, the NSA will be applicable. Not only that, they're also going to give 50 lakh rupees to the next of kin and give the pension. So I strongly believe that this is long overdue and we welcome government's decision, and much more stringent action should be taken if any healthcare worker, any frontline worker, including police and anybody, any frontline worker, if loses life or serious injury, much more stringent laws should be brought in.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think one thing which is very necessary also is, and Sunit Chopra, you especially need to understand this, that, trying to give a spin, saying that anyone's being targeted, any community is being targeted because of our zero tolerance policy is also unacceptable. There has to be zero tolerance, which means you can't come out with any kind of a defense. You cannot say that anyone's being targeted. After the Tablighi Jamaat episode, when there were so many attacks repeatedly on health workers who went, policemen who went, you saw the Moradabad incident. Even you, Sunit Chopra and Chetan, need to support the zero tolerance policy. This zero tolerance policy should not apply just in this case. Yes, Sunit Chopra.
I support the zero tolerance policy, but not by ordinance. Only Parliament can make.
Why not with ordinance? Parliament is not in session. 1 minute.
Because mobs
asking you a
have
question.
been freed
What is wrong
by
with that,
the
Sunit Chopra ji?
To attack
If the
and
Parliament
kill
is not in session and there is an
123
urgent need, there is an exigency, why should an ordinance not be brought?
The urgent
Can you explain
need
that
was
to the
there
viewers?
when
Have you read
thousands
the
and millions of
Constitution?
people were walking on the streets and you were allowing migrant labor to die.
If this ordinance will protect the COVID warriors, you have a problem. You want the Tablighi Jamaat to browbeat, to spit on the doctors.
Listen to an anti-national
That will not
like
happen.
you.